Hello, thank you for coming for a walk with me. It's kind of damp and misty, but we've just got to this tree and it's absolutely full of birds. So I'm just going to stop so you can hear the birds. They're so busy. So according to my bird app, it's song thrushes and gold crests and goldfinches and robins. And there's a woodpecker who I don't think you heard just then, but there's the black and white one. I can't remember if that's the greater spotted or the lesser spotted. Greater spotted, I think. Anyway, in the mist and drear, here is excitement of new life and new beginnings.